Thigh pain while long working hours, muscle strain, muscle cramps, swelling and overuse injury. Try thigh support for comfortable, reliable support. Let's see how to wear this product. Measure circumference around mid-thigh approx 6 inches above knee to choose the correct size. Unwrap the product before use. Keep the up label up. Insert your foot into the support and gently pull it upward until it fits comfortably on the thigh. Now the thigh support is securely in place. Soft and stretchable fit. Gentle compression with flexible support. Easy to wear with flexible stretch. Provides comfortable support for walking, running and many activities. Thanks for watching.